Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where forwarding happens, in-app, browser, or at the device level. Once you know the source, go to the playback settings and turn off fast forward and seek controls, or set them to limited mode. Make sure to enforce authentication, or DRM, if available so streams cannot be relayed. Doing these first actions locks the common paths for forwarding and gives you control over who can manipulate timeline navigation. Next, secure the streaming and playback chain. Use tokenized URLs with short TTL and signed requests so forwarded links expire quickly. That stops casual link sharing. Add CORS and referrer checks to reject cross-origin relays and block known proxy or CDN relay domains at the firewall. Harden the player by disabling external controls and validating timestamps server-side so clients can't fake positions. These measures reduce the technical ability to forward streams and make unauthorized forwarding fail silently. Finally, confirm protection is active and monitor logs for unusual seek patterns or repeated stream handoffs. Revoke compromised tokens immediately. Push player and server updates that enforce stricter policies and server-side checks, and communicate changes to users so expected behavior is clear. If forwarding still occurs, isolate the issue. Test with a clean client, clear cache, and reproduce the scenario step by step while watching logs. That classic troubleshooting reveals whether the fault is client, network, or server side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.